Dear viewers and my dear students of Prime Model School, welcome to our online class for today. In this session, you know better that our school has been suspended from March to till now, but our online class is continuing in this situation, and hope you are all studying at home and follow our online class and practice at home. Today I am going to take a new class of class 1 English version and Bangla version, both class I am going to take. In the Bangla version, you have to note only Bangla topics, and English version follow the English topics. Now I can take this class. Today I am going to discuss with you about the MT3 syllabus, and in English first paper, in English for today, unit 22 to 25. I have selected some word from this unit and write their meaning, Bangla and English meaning, and make sentence. And also I have taken some fill in the blanks. I have selected some fill in the blanks and written in the board. You have to follow these topics for your MT syllabus. Today's topic is word meaning, make sentence and fill in the blanks. Word meaning, make sentence and fill in the blanks. First word is village. For Bangla version, you have to learn only this, and English version you have to learn both these. In Bangla version, again repeat, Bangla version you have to learn village, gram, and make sentence I live in village. For English version, village, rural, countryside, and make sentence. So now I can start. Village means gram. English meaning, similar meaning, rural, countryside, and make sentence I live in village. Cow means goru. We know four-footed animal that gives us milk. And another word is garget. Another word is garget. Make sentence I have a cow. Tub means patro অথবা টব লিখতে পারো. English meaning container. I have bought a tub. Kitten, বিড়াল ছানা. A young cat. I have a kitten. ফোন করা বলতে এখানে টেলিফোন করা বোঝানো হয়, কল করা বোঝানো হয়, যেটা বোঝানো হয় টেলিফোন করা, আমি লিখেছি টেলিফোন করা, এটা ভার্ব হিসেবে আমি ইউজ করেছি. ওয়ার্ড মিনিং রিং আপ, ডায়াল. রিং আপ and dial. I phone to my father. ম্যাট মানে মাদুর. কার্পেট. I buy a mat. Word meaning and make sentence these 6 words and fill in the blanks. We collect drinking water from টিউবওয়েল। আমরা খাবার পানি কোথা থেকে সংগ্রহ করি? টিউবওয়েল থেকে। The sun gives us light and heat. The sun gives us light and heat. We put on coat. We put on coat in winter. Put on মানে পরিধান করা। আমরা শীতের সময় কি পরিধান করি? কোট পরিধান করি। A rat is on a mat. A rat is on a mat. I am not at home now. I am not at home now. So today's topics I discuss with you about word meaning, make sentence and fill in the blanks. You have to learn this at home and have to write in your SW copy and check to your parents. No more today. I will come to the next class with the new topics. For today's goodbye.